Hey guys, hello and welcome to another video of the channel. The planning to make this video is just a random event just happened to me. Actually, I am a Kaspersky antivirus user. Yes, I know the Windows default, the Defender is pretty good, but I like to stay more secure, and that's why I use the Kaspersky Total Security one. But uh, last few days, I am facing some issue. I am having a issue like memory management. Yes, and exactly I don't know what is the reason for that issue, but I think it's regarding to the RAM, and my computer's RAM might be uh, degrading a bit. So that will be a different topic for another video actually. So uh, from last 2 to 3 days, I'm facing a blue screen error. Means it is just showing me that blue screen comes. I will give the screenshot. And after the blue screen it's just saying that the issue is memory management. So after that, today only I faced, after three times that issue happened, and now I'm facing that Kaspersky is telling me protection is at risk. And when I click on the detail option, it's showing me some protection components are corrupted. And actually this same error came to me, I think yesterday only. Yes, yesterday only. So here they are telling that we recommend that you reinstall the program. So I just did that. I simply reinstalled the program, and but again today I am facing the same issue. So I think it would be worth to share with you that you might face this issue with your Kaspersky Security antivirus. The I can just reinstall this software, as there we can't actually we don't know what is the exact component that is. Just have a look at this failure. So here we will get some errors. See, it is telling the issue Kaspersky error, cloud could not enable the protection of the components, and auto update had error. And yes, this error sometimes occurs. I just forgot to mention this error some occurs at when I just need to mention whenever your Kaspersky antivirus is updating the database or updating its full version and your computer gets crashes, this thing will happen. Okay, and in that blog also it's written clearly. So you can reinstall, but as I have reinstalled once and again I'm facing the same issue, it's better to just completely format your computer, as it's the best way. Yes, reinstalling will solve this problem, but it will not a permanent solution, as your computer has that blue screen error. Yes, the blue screen error might be related with your operating system, or might be with your hardware thing, but just try once formatting completely. Take all the backups of from your desktop and from wherever you store your data to a safe drive, a safe place, and then fully erase the C drive and perform a complete format, and then install the software. I think this will solve the issue. I will update in the description and in the comments, as I have not done till yet. I'm just showing you this issue, and for this the protection is not turning on. Means the our automatic protection, it's not turning on. So was it's a small video I'm telling you. I don't know why I just made this, but I thought it would be worth sharing you. So just final answer is simply format the your operating system, and it will solve the issue. In 90% time it will solve the issue. But if you have any hardware issue, means in my case I might have a issue with the RAM modules, so I might have a look at them, and that might fix this. Actually that will fix, not that actually will fix the my issue. So well, let's see, and I will inform you in the description below. So that's all for today. I hope you get something informative from this video. If you get the information what you want, please like the video, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever you like. And if you don't like, please dislike and tell me in the comments below why you don't like this video, so that I will improve it from the next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.